Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to make a simple pair of earrings with two of my friends, and this is called the Easy Peasy. I usually use a hoop mandrel when I do it, but today I'm going to attempt to do it with my wrap and tap. Usually this works best when you have a pre-measured length of wire, and mine wasn't. I had a piece of wire in a bag that I cut in half, and I said I will turn this into a pair of earrings. So let's see what happens. I had a YouTube subscriber say that she really loves wrap and taps and she could not find information about it. She saw on our channel how we used it a lot. So I will do this for her so you can see more things to do with that beautiful wrap and tap. This is the largest of all the three sizes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my Lindstrom rounds, and I'm going to make a loop at the end of this wire. Once the wires touch, that's all you need to do. And do it on both pieces. This is sterling silver 16 gauge soft wire. So it's a little bit challenging to turn, but not impossible. So I'm gonna look at the wire, look at the gauge, look at the length of wire, look at the barrel, and kind of guess where would I need to put this to use up as much of the wire as I want. If I put it on the smallest barrel, I'm going to have a long, skinny teardrop. If I'm going to put it on the biggest barrel, I might have something more like a hoop. So I'm not sure what I want or what's going to happen, so I'll go on the middle one. When you use this, you want to make sure that you're pushing equally so that the two ends meet, like that. Yay! That's good. I like it. Okay, then take it off. Take your next piece of wire, put it on the middle barrel, push down. Make sure this little loop, the ear, is poking out. You don't want to press that into the barrel. You want to keep that out. Push it so that both ends line up, like so. Okay, we're almost done. So my little surprise today is that I wanted to put beads on it. So I picked out some large hole beads that fit the 16 gauge wire. I'll string it on. Oh, it's kind of cute. I like it. But let's see if it's just one bead. I might like that better, because I think I'll antique it. Oh, I like it with one. That's nice. Simple, very simple. Okay, so now usually at this point, I make a hook right here, and I pop it into the hole, and I turn it, and it's done. But I would like to hammer it a little bit before I do that. So before putting the bead on, I'm going to put it on this bench block. Take my hammer, hold it so that they are mirror imaged, and I'm going to hammer out the bottom. Now, most of the time I like to hammer a lot, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to get into the texturing and all that. It's funny, I always forget to stop hammering when I talk. Okay. The only thing to be careful of is not over hammering. For this instance alone, if you hammer too much, the bead may not fit the hole again. But it does. Perfect. So now I'm going to finish up. Take my flat nose plier, and again I'm going to make them mirror imaged. It's good to have a mirror image if you don't want your earrings to be in the same direction on both ears, okay? So that's why we're doing that. I'm going to turn this wire forward and that wire forward with my flat nose plier. So I'm going to make a 90-degree angle. Do that one more time. Take the wire, make a 90-degree angle, put it in, and put it in. So the last thing to do is tuck this wire down so that nothing falls off. So it doesn't have to be a metal bead. You can use a pearl. You could use a Tahitian pearl. That'd be really nice. And lock that in. So this is perfect if you don't have wire wrapping skills or brilliant wrapping skills and you still want to add a bead. So again, take this end piece of wire and just curl it over and pinch it down. Okay? Let me hold it this way so you can see. That is it. Now, if you're lucky enough, you can still continue to put designs or texturing by just moving the bead. So I'm going to put a little bit of texture here. This is our new Fretz hammer. Oh, it's so good. Move the bead to the other side. And here's my earring. Of course, I still have to put the ear wires on, but I think you get the gist of what I just made. So don't forget. Oh, they're like mini versions of my earrings. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our YouTube channel, and reply, comment if you have anything you want to see us make.